Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to integrate Kixie with GoHighLevel. Connecting these two platforms helps us streamline the calling process, sync contact data, and automate follow-ups to improve the sales workflow. Now let's get started. First, we connect our Kixie account to GoHighLevel. We go to the App Marketplace. The App Marketplace is in the lower left part of the page. Just click on it. When we are there, we use the search feature and type in Kixie. When Kixie appears, we click on it. Next, we see the option to install. We choose the connection we want. We select our account, then allow and install. When we see the success message, the integration is complete. We can now close this window. Now we can start making calls. We are now able to make calls through GoHighLevel to anyone, anytime we want. With this integration, we can enhance team productivity, track calls more efficiently, and create a smoother communication process.